Hi there, Robert Grant here. Today I'm going to show you a simple approach to installing small knobs like this here. With a simple jig that squeezes it so that you don't have to. So the problem was, these knobs come with these 2 screws each. This one here would be fine for a 3/4 inch piece of wood, but since I doubled mine up, I end up with 1 inch, so that's too long. These long ones work, but you have to buy them separately, and you have to drill all the way through. So I wanted to use these that are threaded for the knob, and then threaded for the wood, but did not have the strength, even no matter what size hole I drilled, did not have the strength to put it in place. So I took a piece of oak, drilled a 1/2 inch hole, slotted it out on the table saw, a little wider here than here, put a screw in it, and put a Purple Heart spline so it doesn't split across the grain. And now I'll do it like this here. I'll put this in place and I'll squeeze it. Pretty strong. Then I'll take and I'll put it in place. Throw it in place. With this extra leverage, it goes from hard to real easy. And I don't have to worry about damaging my workpiece because I've got it clamped to the outside rim of the knob. Okay. Release the screw. And you've got a knob put in with hardly any effort. And you didn't have to squeeze it. And I'll put the remainder of them on the same way. And I'll put on the shiny knobs the same way. There's the finished product. The knobs dress up jewelry boxes real good, and even though they're small, they look right for this application. And you can see when you look inside, you see no holes drilled all the way through it. So they give these to go with them, and they're actually a benefit if you can get them in there. This worked out good for me. And another way to make them a little easier to put in is to add some chalk, or should say wax. Same here, no holes through. So if you enjoyed my video, if you like, please click like and subscribe. I'll have more tips in the future. Thanks for watching.